Hello, welcome to Border Nurseries in Virginia. It's important that a rose has a fragrance. These flower non-stop from June until October, and we have 4 lovely varieties here that will flower non-stop. You know them in pots or containers or out in garden beds. It's a variety called Ghita, a lovely light purple, just starting to flower now, June until October flowering. And Bonita is a lovely soft peach, again strongly scented as well. They flower in clusters like that, so you can see not just one flower on the end of a stem, a good cluster of flowers. And then Isobel is a lovely red, and again fragrant, very deep red. And Claire is a soft pink. So all fragrant. This is the time of year to plant them. Now to plant roses like these, you dig a decent sized planting hole, put some super thrive at the bottom, SWELL compost and soil on top, and the same bank in the round. And then of course feed regularly with Flower Max to make sure they keep throwing up lots and lots of flowers. Bye for now. Enjoy your garden.